Hey everyone, if Excalidraw keeps loading forever, gets stuck on the loading screen, never opens your drawing, or displays a spinning loader that won't disappear, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw loading issues in 2026. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data is one of the most common causes of endless loading screens in web applications. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers may not fully support the technologies Excalidraw requires. Another helpful step is disabling browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, VPN extensions, and script blockers can interfere with loading and synchronization features. If Excalidraw still won't load, try opening it in a different browser. If it works there, the issue is likely related to your original browser settings or extensions. You should also check whether a specific drawing is causing the problem. Try opening a different drawing or creating a new blank canvas to see if the issue is file-specific. And that's how to fix Excalidraw loading forever problems in 2026. In most cases, clearing cache, updating your browser, disabling conflicting extensions, and checking file integrity will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.